Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are completely safe at home. Earlier, we were doing articles. We have done definite and indefinite articles, but omission of article is still left. Today, we will do omission of article. Means where we don't use article, zero article, in cross. Okay. Omission of article. Where we don't use article. First, where we don't use article, our first point is before the names of substance. Before the names of substance, we don't use any article. For example, gold is a precious metal. Here, in general sense, in general sense. When we talk about substances in general sense, then we don't use any article. For example, gold is a precious metal. The gold. Bed is made from flour. Flour. Bread is made from flour. Here, we will not use the. Here, we will not use the. We will use a cross, means zero article. Before the name of substance in general sense. But if we point to a particular thing, then we use definite article the. For example, but in particular sense. But in particular sense, we use the. For example, gold mine is here of poor quality. Here we are talking in particular sense. Then we use the gold. The gold mine is here of poor quality. Means all mines are not of poor quality. So here we are denoting a particular mine. Then we use the gold mine is there of poor quality. Second point, before the name of meal. Before the names of meal, we don't use the. For example, I take lunch. I take lunch. Here, in general sense, before the names of meals, in general sense. In general sense. In ordinary sense. Before the names of meals in general sense, then we don't use any article. For example, I take lunch. I take zero article. I take lunch. No article will come here. For example, he takes his dinner at 8 p.m. Here, zero article. No article will come. Before the names of metal in general sense. Then we use before the name of meals. Before the name of meals in general sense, then we don't use any kind of article. For example, I take lunch. Where zero article. He takes his dinner at 8 p.m. Here zero article will come. But if we talk about in a particular form, but if we talk about in a particular form, on an occasion, but if we talk about in a particular sense, on an occasion, then we use definite article the. For example, dinner will be served at the Grand Hotel. Here we are talking a particular name. Then we use the definite article the. Overall, I tell you, if we talk in general sense, then so don't use any kind of article. But if we talk in particular sense, then we use the before the names of substance and before the names of meals. Okay. The dinner will be served at the Grand Hotel. The dinner. Our third point is before the names of plural nouns. For example, plural nouns. For example, children, like chocolate. Here, zero article will come. Children, plural noun. Students go to school. Zero article. Before the names of plural noun, you don't use any kind of article. Our fourth point is before the names of games. For example, I play cricket. I play cricket. No article will come. I like playing chess. No article will come. Before the name of game, we will not use any kind of article. Our fourth point, before the names of countries, before the names of countries, we don't use any kind of article. For example, Italy, China, Ghana. No article will come here. But when we find such type of word like republic, kingdom, state, when we find such type of word, then we use definite article the. For example, the United Kingdom. We find such word kingdom, then we use a definite article the. United States. Here we find states, then we use the. Don't use any kind of article before the name of country, but when we find such type of word before the name of a country, republic, kingdom, states, then we use the. For example, the United Kingdom, the United States. Our fifth point is our sixth point, yes, students. Before the name of king and queen, Queen Elizabeth, Queen Elizabeth. Here, zero article. But in one sentence I told you earlier, the Queen Elizabeth is a famous British liner. In that case, it was a she. Before the name of ships and trains, we use definite article the. So, don't use a the in that case because it is the name of a queen. Our seventh point. Before the word like street, lane, avenue. When we find such type of word street, lane, avenue, then don't use any kind of particle. For example, he lives in Oxford Street. He lives in Oxford Street. Zero article. Eighth point. Before school, colleges, church, prison, jail, church, hospital. If we use these words in general sense, then we don't use the before these words. For example, he goes to school. Here zero article. He goes to church daily. But if we want to denote particular place, then use definite article the before these words. For example, but in particular sense. But in particular sense. We use the before these words. Before these words. For example, I am writing here. Example I am writing here. Above side. For example, my wife has gone to the hospital to meet a sick friend. My wife has gone to the hospital. It means she knows where she is to go. It is a special, it is a particular hospital. That's why we use a the. My wife has gone to the hospital. If you don't use a the, then where will you go? So it is necessary to use the here. I met him. Another example. I met him at the church. Means you are telling the exact place where you met him. So our 8th point: before, school, colleges, church, prison, jail, church. Again, I have written church. No matter. Hospital. We use zero article here, but we use in particular sense. Then we use before these words definite article the. My wife has gone to the hospital. I met him at the church. Our 9th point: before the names of father, mother, nurse, uncle, aunt, uncle. Before the names of father, mother, nurse, aunt, uncle, we don't use any kind of article. For example, father gave me 20 rupees. Here zero article. Here zero article will come. Nurse gave him an injection. Here zero article will come. But if we talk in particular sense, then we use definite article the. But if we talk in particular sense, then we use the. For example, I met nurse who gave me an injection. I met the nurse. It means you are telling a particular nurse. I met the nurse who gave me an injection. I have told you 9 points. Before these 9 points, in general sense, don't use the. But if we talk about these points in particular sense, then we use definite article the. I have mentioned here. Simultaneously, in examination, it may be also asked little, a little, few, a few. It may be asked sometimes. Little means थोड़ा सा. It means nothing. ना के बराबर. A little means थोड़ा सा. Means something. कुछ. In the same, we use this for amount. We use little, a little to denote amount. Little, nothing, a little, something. Firstly, we will discuss this only. To understand this, we take some examples. For example, there is milk in the jug. I can not prepare tea. There is gas milk in the jug. I cannot prepare tea. We have to fill this and this one. Little, थोड़ा सा, nothing, ना के बराबर. If we read the example, then we find there is gas milk in the jug. I cannot prepare tea. Firstly, read this carefully. I cannot prepare tea. It means if you can't prepare tea, it means you don't have sufficient milk. Tea cannot be prepared. In that case, milk is nothing. There is little milk in the jug. That's why you can't prepare tea. Okay. When two sentences have been given, then read the sentence which is complete It is, this sentence is complete. Then read this carefully. It will tell you what will come here. Little, a little. One more example. I can prepare tea. I can prepare tea. It means you have something. A little, थोड़ा सा, something, कुछ. Here I can prepare tea. It means something. You have some milk. There is a little milk. And you can prepare tea. Little, a little. Little means nothing. Not at all. A little, something, kuch. We use little, a little to denote amount that cannot be counted. The examples have been given here. There is just milk in the jug. I cannot prepare tea. I cannot prepare tea. Here, nothing, little. There is little milk, there is dash milk in the jug. I can prepare tea. You can prepare tea, it means you have something. You can prepare tea, it means you have something. Means a little milk. Little, a little, clear. Now we will do few. Few, a few. For counting. For things we can count. Those things which can be counted, we use few, a few. Which can be counted. Which can be counted. We use few, a few. In the same way, few, nothing. ना के बराबर. A few, some, कुछ. We understand this by some examples. For example, mostly boys have gone to trade fair. Trade fair. So there are dash boys in the class. Mostly boys have gone to trade fair. So there are dash boys in the class. Mostly boys have gone. It means few left. A few left. Nothing. So there are dash boys. Few boys. Mostly gone. Mostly gone. There are few boys in the class. In the same way, a few boys attended the class. A few boys attended the class. There were many, a few. That's why class was held. Otherwise, class was not held. So, a few boys attended the class. We have understood few, a few. The little, the थोड़े से, थोड़े से, सारे, यह सब. In the same way, सारे या सब. The little, all. Whatever he or she has, all. The little, a few. The little for amount. The news he had was not reliable. The little news. The little news he had was not reliable. जो भी खबर उसके पास थी, सारी जो भी खबर उसके पास थी वो विश्वसनीय नहीं थी. तो सारी, all. The little. In the same way, cloths can be counted. The few cloths he had burnt in the fire. थोड़े बहुत जो भी कपड़े उसके पास थे वो आग में जल गए. Means all, the few, the little, all. Whatever he or she has. The little news he had was not reliable. The few clothes he had burnt in the fire. We have done article topic completely. Dear students, go through all the exercises of your book, of your syllabus, of your class completely and revise all the sentences. It is better if you have a dictionary. Check the meaning and understand the meaning completely. If you find any deficiency in understanding, then you can call up me later. So we have done this topic completely. It depends on you. If you do practice at home, then to okay. If you don't do any kind of practice at home, then it can create problem too. Much depends on practice. Practice makes the man perfect. Okay. Be alert, be safe, maintain social distance. Thank you and have a nice day.